Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, we're throwing down some more lawn soil, specifically in this area between my house and my neighbor's house, right where it swales and the water drains out into the street, if that makes sense. Right between the two yards where they meet, it kind of dips down, which is fine, that's what you want, right? But in that area, it is just riddled with weeds, it is riddled with dollar weed, and it is riddled with more specifically, not only that patch of dollar weed, but sedge. Yuck. So, this is what I'm going to do. This is my game plan. Laying out some lawn soil, just a couple bags, nothing crazy. Lay it all out in a trench, and I'm just brushing it, brooming it all in nice so the grass all pokes out, or the weeds all poke out, I should say. And one that's going to fill in some of the sparse grass. It's going to kind of give it a nice shock of some nitrogen and nutrients. There is some compost mixed in with this, so that's going to do that, right? And then two, I'm going to water it in. Very important to water it in to activate those ingredients that's within the soil. Just a nice good old watering, nothing crazy. And then I'm going to let it dry, let it bake in the sun a little bit. And later, I'm going to come back in the evening when the sun is practically set or setting, and I'm going to spray it all up with some Image Green Top. Image Green Top, that's the one that does the grassy leaf weeds, grassy weeds. So it's going to target the dollar weed, it's going to target the sedge, among 100 different other weeds. And we're going to come back and see how that does later. But check out the video. Let me know what you think.